Hey everybody, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today we're at South Oak Creek Trail up here near Red Rock. And I've never hiked this one before, so this is all going to be new to me. So let's go. We are working our way up the trail, and it's a pretty cold one today. It's probably maybe about 48, 49. And I am joined here by the lovely Michelle once again. It's nice and quiet out here. Nothing but you, nature, and the beautiful mountains. All right, so we got Red Rock Canyon, South Oak Creek. This is the way. So we are still walking the trail, getting closer and closer to these beautiful, majestic mountains. And as you can see, the terrain, it's pretty rocky. All right, I had to just stop and look. Every so often I do have to look around and just enjoy it. And that's where we parked, all the way over there. Here's a nice little chill spot on the trail. If you wanted to get some relief from the sun and the heat in the more warmer weather. Very cool. Well, look at what we have here. We have our first human sandwich caught between a rock and a hard place. Very cool. It even looks like toasted bread. It does look like toasted bread.
Like a bagel or something. This part is really tricky.
Yeah, this is definitely one of the best hikes I've been on so far, with just absolutely gorgeous views. We got a rock over there, boulder. You can probably actually go camping here. Just imagine you could put your sleeping bag right here and just chill out. All right, cool. Looks like we got ourselves a creek. This must be Oak Creek. Very cool. Some pretty wild terrain. Oh. Got a cool little creek. I think this is the same one that we came up on earlier. It's just getting bigger. Look like we got some animal waste over here. Hopefully to nothing that can potentially eat me. Cool. right, everybody, we are making our way out of the canyon, off the trail. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe button and like if you enjoyed this content. Until next time, peace. I found this cool little rock here on the trail. It's a pretty neat looking rock. But I am no geologist. I have no idea what kind of rock this is. If anybody knows, tell me, let me know down in the comment section below. But that's pretty cool. It's pretty neat.